How to create a zip file on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video I will guide you how you can create a zip file or folder on Windows. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, navigate to the folder where you have all of your files. So in this folder I have one video and a PDF file. Now, in order to compress this file or folder into a zip folder, what you have to do is navigate to your files, right click on it, and here go to compress to, and here click on zip file. So that will compress your file and you will have your zip file ready. Now if you want to rename your zip file, you could also do that. So you could name your zip file, and if you open up this zip file, you will have your video and a PDF file. To have access to this folder, you could extract your zip file as well. So that's the way to create a zip file or folder on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.